my channel. So right now I'm trying to find what to wear to work. Today is delivery day for my photography package. So I'm expecting 3 backdrops, 2 lights, and a backdrop holder. So I'm just trying to keep it real chill today, you know, nothing too crazy. Honestly, y'all, I really just don't have enough shoes because I'm looking through my closet, right? And all I'm seeing is heels, and I'm not wearing heels today. That is a huge no-go. So I actually might change into some green joggers and wear my work shirt. Because we have like our own work shirt for where I work. I might wear that. And then just some Sperry's and call it a day, honestly, because I don't feel like doing all that extra stuff today. So right now I'm on my way to work. Like every 5 minutes, I'm still checking the status on my delivery to see if maybe they say deliver. I really do not want nobody to take that, like seriously, because yeah. So that's why I keep checking up. This is a part of the video. This is just, you know, throughout the day. I will do an unboxing for it too, so we can all see, you know, what's to be expected and if I recommend it. And not even that, just so y'all can see my reaction, because I'm curious myself. So where is she going? I'm sorry. I know her, so I'm like, where is she going? So yeah, you guys gonna watch me set it up. I moved some furniture around in my living room to make a small little space for it until we move out to another apartment complex, which has a 2-bedroom. So right now it's just like I gotta work with what I got. But I'm excited, but I'm nervous at the same time, because one, I did spend a sufficient amount of money to me for that package, and I don't want it to come out and be janky. So I'm extremely nervous about that. But I'm happy because I've been saying for such a long time how I was going to get this, and I never got it. Y'all, people, it's too early in the morning not to be driving. People getting in accidents and whatnot. It's 8:30 in the morning. So yeah, I just don't want it to come out janky and cheap and a waste of my money. Because like I was saying, it took me a while to buy something like this because I wasn't serious, and now I'm okay, y'all. I am officially leaving the job for the day. I got my package earlier, around 2-ish, and I am so excited to put it together to see what I come up with. I had a little hiccup. I had to leave my job for like 30 minutes, so I'm going to be missing like 30 minutes off my paycheck, but it was totally worth it because of the fact that I got my package. Now, it's hard to go through the day when you're constantly thinking about, you know, something that gets you so excited. So I'm very excited. I just, like I said at the earlier video, I just hope that things don't come out janky. And today was actually a pretty easy day for me. I wasn't doing my usual job. I was doing another job today. So the process was a lot shorter of getting out of there. So now I'm just like, oh. But 5-6 o'clock traffic is terrible during weekdays. So that's my only thing. I feel like it's going to take me forever to get home. So I also have to fix my camera for you guys, because like I said, I'm still using my phone to do my videos, but when I do a video like this instead of like this with my phone, it comes out looking funky with the app that I use to edit. So yeah, I'm just like, okay, we'll see what I come up with. But I'm getting a little bit better with putting my camera on my in-car tripod, I guess you can say, to where it won't be wobbling and shaking the whole time and it looks crazy. So that's also a plus. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to update you guys. You know, then I have to go home and show you me unboxing it and everything. So yeah. All right, you guys, this is what I have so far. I have the umbrella, And then I have the lights so far. Y'all, check this out. Watch how freaking bright this is. And that's just one. So I have my little stuff going on, so we'll just see how this works out. All right, so I got this up. It's actually a lot larger, but I had to condense it down because my apartment can take but only so much space. So this is what I have so far. Now I'm gonna put the backdrop on it, and then I'm gonna try the lighting and see how this is gonna look. Look, you guys! So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do some more altering. I'll have to iron the backdrop so it looks more straight. And then I will probably bring it down some more so it'll cover the floor for when I do like whole body videos or clothing videos, things like that. So yeah, this is what it looks so far. I got this for $57.99. The shipping was free and it was not taxed. And it took at least a week to get here. Not even that. The shipping was great. The communication with the shipping was great. So I do think this was probably the best deals and steals that I ever got, especially I'm out of breath, especially to help build my channel. So you guys, this is the next step for me. All right, so don't mind me, y'all. I just got home from work. And so right now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to like adjust the lighting to see where the strong point is going to be for my videos. I'm thinking right here, but then when I look up, it's really bright in my face. So I might move that one down there, but you see how it's like a blank spot with lighting. So I actually might use my Diva light as well, depending on how bad I'm trying to get blinded. But I think that in front of my face is going to be the best lighting for me. So let's do that. And then I'm gonna bring my tripod up. Switch that over. Okay, so I think this is going to be my strong point, but I'm going to switch it out for the soft light umbrellas and see what that looks like. So we go to the dealer and got it all. Except my favorite alcohol. Papa so good at any Tylenol. So I kind of like the lighting better with these. You see, even when I move them to the side, they still give me a sufficient amount of lighting. So I think these are probably going to be like my go-to when I do my videos, because like I said, it gives me a lot more lighting. But I probably move the lights right here. This one's probably going to have to go right here. I'll move this over a little. I'm just trying to like, you know, get a feel for what I'm going to be doing, because I probably will be making another video for you guys tomorrow. If not tomorrow, Thanksgiving. If not Thanksgiving, Friday. Sometime this week, I know you're going to get a video. But the only issue I'm having right now is the space in my apartment, because the extender for the background holder, it's a lot larger than this. I had to like dim it down a lot. And that's actually better, making them a little shorter. I almost blinded Luther. But yeah, my hair looks like it grew a little bit. Anyway, so I think I might keep them shorter, and I think I might keep the soft light umbrella. But like I said, the only issue I'm having now is trying to find a tripod for my phone or my camera. You see how it's kind of like at an angle. This umbrella is really going to get on my nerves. Like on everything I love is going to get on my nerves. Just the area. So let me see if I can move it. See, look, you can't see it now. And the lighting is still really well. So this may be my point right here. Right here. This may be my good point. I'm still going to have to freaking... He distracted me. He told me I need to mark the floor, which is a good idea. So I'll do that when I finish this video. But let me show you guys. Aside from the green one, I have black and a white backdrop. Like I said, it was $57. This is actually one of the best investments I've ever made. The only thing I have to do is I have to iron the backdrop, because of course it's been in the packaging for a while. And when I was reading the reviews on it, somebody was complaining about that. I said, I mean, I'd rather have that than the product be flawed. So I'm not complaining too much. I was really nervous and skeptical about this stuff coming out looking like complete and total crap. when you read reviews on things, it gets you kind of discouraged. So that's kind of how I was feeling. But I said, you know what? If it wasn't meant to be, it wasn't meant to be. I would have never found it, and I would have never paid this money for it because I'm a cheapskate. So I think everything came out well. It's just the only thing I'm probably going to worry about the most is storage for this. It's a lot, y'all. You really need a whole room for this setup, not just a half or a corner. You do need a whole room. So I can deal with this thing here, don't get me wrong, but these umbrellas, they gotta go somewhere. They have to. But look at this, you guys. This looks so professional. I'm so excited. This is gonna make videos so much more funner. Yeah, so definitely I will put below a link of where I got it from. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're excited just as I am.